A lot of times students, especially if they're freshmen, maybe sort of pre-exclude themselves from these type of endeavors, thinking like, oh, what I'm doing isn't research, or I don't see how I could be involved in that. But really, the Ash Scholars does a really good job because it's sort of like a mentorship cohort of students from varying grade levels and also faculty members of really sort of nurturing the student from the freshman level and beyond.
Our students get lots of professional experience. They get really experience that helps them stand out as students, which can help them in their professional careers, either going into graduate school within their discipline, or even if they're going on a different track. The application process is pretty simple. We take your transcript, your unofficial transcript, a short statement about expressing your interest in the team and what you could see yourself doing on the team. If you have any questions about that, you can contact me and I'll give you feedback.
Even being on a research team as a freshman is just such an exciting opportunity, both for skills that they'll then be able to employ later on throughout their educational time at Mizzou, but then also to put on their CVs for even career opportunities beyond their time at Mizzou.